Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can get the IP address or location of someone by just texting. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is navigate to urlshort.com or download urlshort Android mobile app. Both links are in the description below. You can perform every task I perform using this website with their mobile app also. For this tutorial, I am going to show you the web version. But if you want, feel free to use mobile version. As you have noticed, I have already logged into my account. You can also sign in using your Gmail. Only thing they need is your email and first name. The next thing you need is link of anything that target user will be interested in. For this tutorial I will use a website that shows some famous quotes. Paste or type the link you want and enter a short name describing that link which will catch target's interest. Click short this URL to create the short link. Now the created link is copied to your clipboard. In this table you can see the link you created. As you can see, the number of clicks made to this link is 0. Send the copied link to target user. Most likely they will click the link, as link is not a phishing website, and if you have sent an interesting link. In this case, I will be visiting the link myself for demonstration purpose. The user will be redirected to the original link that you used earlier. This is also a great method to rebrand your links to your own wording. Now that I have clicked this link, you can see the number of clicks and table is increased to 1. Congratulations! The only thing that you need to now is to view the IP or location of the clicked user. To do that, click this detail button. Here, you can see the IP address of the clicked user. To view the location, click the IP address. This will give you the lot of information, including the latitude and longitude of user. The only thing you need to do is open your favorite map and enter those coordinates. You can also view location by manually tracking the IP address. Please note that accuracy of location will depend on the targeted user's IP and their security. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe and share the video.